Okay, as you see here, this is a laser level device that we have installed here, and it has two buttons for measuring vertical and horizontal surfaces. And this is the device's button that has three modes to select. And that sound comes from the device's sensor, which is telling us that the level is not correct, so you should adjust it. You can also rotate the device 180 degrees and the device's leveling setting will not change and will remain. Okay, I put the laser in this corner so we can analyze it, if it has problems or not. I can see a slight leveling problem here that can be corrected in final plastering. So this device was useful today. And now I am going to that corner and see what happens there. It is fine, I think. So now we are going to compare this device with the laser level application. Let's go. So this is the software and we will select the first option. Now you should try to fix on the 90 degrees to have more accurate results. That's okay now. So it is clear now that the software cannot show us the correct levels and it has problems in both vertical and horizontal lines. The lines are not parallel and deviated from the laser level device's lines. And we should keep this in mind that this problem will be worse in bigger surfaces. So let's try that again. I have changed my standing position and now we can see that both lines are off and we have a different situation for horizontal line. But the laser level device did not have this problem. We rotated that 180 degrees and the result was just fine. Now I'm going to try this in other surfaces like this, and you can see it is off here too, here as well, and we can see the green line is off. This is another example. Keep this in mind that all of the surfaces are checked with laser level device and they were just fine, and I tried this software on Xiaomi and Samsung mobile phones and I experienced the same results. So, if you have similar experiences, please tell me about it in comment section. I will happy to hear that. And I'm going to try some other applications like AR ruler app. I will put the link in description section. So if this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe my channel so I can make more of this content for you. And finally, if you want more information about the laser level device, I explained that in a separate video that I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.